Hey guys, it's Matt. Welcome to Speed Tutor. So I like to keep everybody up to date with the best free assets, sales, bundles and everything. And for this month, I've got loads of bundles that I need to get through because you might miss out on them and there might be some great assets that you didn't realize were available. If you do like these videos, be sure to throw a like and make sure you subscribe and comment down below if you've got any bundles that you found that I might have missed. I will leave all the links in the description to all the sales, the bundles, the free assets that you can find, so you don't miss out on any of it. Unity do have a brand new sale, which is their iconic essentials flash deals, which you'll find on their homepage, and you can see that it's up to 80% off flash deals. And if you click on shop now, you will notice on the left hand side you need to make sure that flash deals is ticked if it's not already, and then you will be able to see most of the assets which are currently organized with 70% off. If you do look in the list and you see some in the flash deals that don't look like they're in them, is because they're currently sorting out trying to make these appear in the correct order. But you'll see the 70%. If you click on any of the assets, once they load up on the page, you'll see that it'll start. Like this one, the Skymaster, starts in 2 hours from when I was recording this. So just be aware that the ones on this page will all be in the flash sale, but they're on at different times. And as of releasing this, my adventure puzzle kit will be in the flash deal in 9 days time if you're interested in picking that up. For this week, you'll notice that the free asset will be the watercolor art painting stylization effect. So this is something which is a watercolor effect for Unity URP that transforms any image into a live painting, and if you use the code NullTale2026, you can get this one for totally free when you take it to checkout. And of course, you can check out the community post if you subscribe to me, and I post every single Monday with the free assets so you never ever miss out. I got contacted about this one on Itch.io, which is a creator bundle, and this is by Ames RG Poly and AWBME Creations, and these have a lot of assets on the Unity Asset Store. This is actually 79 different items, and it's pretty much for $12, and this includes big packs like their Cartoon City Massive Pack, Cute Nature, lots of different stylized assets with loads of different things included on the asset store. And you can scroll down on the left hand side and you can see that it has 21,000 different 3D models, 15 plugins which include different shaders, environments, characters, and you can see it here: cities and characters, the dark fantasy and horror, military and vehicles, medieval folk towns, roadside tales, the nature and forests, desert and tropical, swamp and wetlands, furniture, sci-fi, other environmental, and there's actually a bunch of free ones down here too, which you can get for free if you really want by following these links. But this entire pack with all of that I've just mentioned is if you can find on this page for the small fee. On Humble Bundle, you do have the Isometric RPG assets galore, which you can find, which is on for another 14 days, which is around £22 or $25 to $27 for loads of isometric things across post-apocalyptic, bunkers, different characters, Norse, and various different stylized icons. Remember that I've covered it in the last few videos that Sonniss have loads and loads of GDC audios with hundreds of gigabytes worth of audio all the way back from 2015, but they have a 2026 bundle with around 7.5 gigabytes worth of sound effects, which are free to use in any games you want, and various others from previous years. There is the Builder's Vault by Hivemind, which is their particular Unity edition, where you've got things like the military base megapack, township, dungeon builders, realistic blood effects, medieval kingdom, mountain temple, sewers and tunnels, cathedrals, depths, arenas, cyberpunk, rural towns, Viking villages, and loads of other different environments. And if you scroll up, it's around £13.50 or around $17 for this section, worth around $1,500 if you were to get it all separately. For a very short time left, there's still the Ultimate Stylized Bundle, which you can get for around £20 or $25, which comes with the bunches of stylized assets, and these can be redeemed for the Unity Asset Store. So these include various Toon things like the Toon Adventure Island, Enchanted Meadow, the Farm Packs, Toon Vehicles, Desert Islands, loads of different characters, nature, and things that you might not have access to. And there's a big one from Gumroad and Leartes Studios, which if you follow the link in the description, it will have a code of SS60 for 60% off for their Summer Sonic Limited Time Mega Unity Bundle, which is usually worth around $7,000, so you can get it for 60% off the usual $100 price tag. This does end after the 15th of August. Comes with a massive selection of their environments, where it's Cyberpunk, Future Slums, the Rally Point, the Space Burgers Station, Castle Interiors, Stylized Civilization, Data Center, Electronics Modular Environment, Waiting Room, American Slums, Firewatch Tower, Abandoned Village Environment, the Orthodox Church, Underground Car Park, Stylized Asian Temple, Paris Street, Paris City, the Fantasy Interior, Underwater Sunken Ship, Medieval City, Sci-Fi City, Miami Vice City, and loads in here. And a lot of these I've never actually seen advertised before. So there's a massive selection of bundles which you can get hold of. So do let me know down below if you found any bundles that are good for people to get hold of. And it's great if anybody emails me and lets me know of any of these if you've got something coming up. If you do like these videos, be sure to throw a like and make sure you subscribed, and comment down below if you've got any bundles that you found that I might have missed. So do check out my Patreon to get over 150 different scripts, assets and projects you cannot find anywhere else. Check out all the links down below, so I'll leave everything that you need from this video. And big thank you for everybody coming to watch. Massive thank you to my patrons, and to everybody else, thank you very much for watching.